we're gonna come out here today. It's frosted a couple times already. We've lucked out so far. It's not been too bad on the tomatoes. We're gonna go ahead and pick the green ones, the ones with any size to them. You can see there's a bunch still coming on, and they can ripen in the house there. We're giving rain the next couple days, and we wanted to go ahead and pick them.
And frost this weekend.
Before the frost. They're giving frost again, chance of it in 4 days. And you can see after it finally quit doing all the raining, they're straightening back out, and it's just, this was just a bad year around here. But no, we're gonna go ahead and pick the green ones off, because you can see, I mean, they're looking pretty, blooming still and everything. It's just, they're not gonna have time to do anything. Winter will be setting in. But no, we'll let these ripen up in the house, and then Carolyn can cut some of them up for fried green tomatoes. Of course, we throw the goats some. They love them too. And the chickens. Nothing goes to waste around here. There's always something to follow up. Eventually, when we get hogs, there'll be the big garbage disposal there. When I say garbage disposal, I mean food scraps and everything. Years ago when my grandpa had pigs, I can remember he always kept a slop bucket there on the back porch for grandma and mom to throw food scraps in. Then he'd take out to his hogs. It's started frosting earlier this year. Last year was October 14th, and this year it was September. What was it, Shug? It was last week. So it was about a month earlier this year than what it was last year there. But no, the frost was about a month earlier this year than what it was last year there. Then it's warmed back up some. But they're giving cold weather again coming up towards the end of the week. We're bypassing some of the tomatoes. If they don't look like they're going to ripen up good, we're just leaving them. And then it won't be long, I'll be coming back out here probably next week, nothing happens, and pulling the vines up out of the ground. We just have to wait and see. These here tomatoes here, they was a little bit later, but they They got several tomatoes on them, but